Hi there. This video is about using certain shortcut keys while working with filter. Some of which we have already discussed, so I'm going to quickly go through them, but more importantly, how do you select choices once the filter has been applied? So I choose the first cell, that's the header cell, shift control right and down, that helps me choose the data. Now if you press Alt key, notice this key tips comes up and the one which is pointing towards data tab is saying A, so I press the letter A, and within which the button filter is indicated by the letter T, so I press T. So practically speaking, Alt AT is a shortcut key to activate filter. Professionals who have been using the older versions of Excel, they will remember Alt DFF as a shortcut key to activate filter. However, I have started preferring Alt AT. Now, once that has been done, let's say I want to use the drop down of the third column which says city, and I want to pick up one of the choices. So how do I activate that button and give me that drop down options? I will press Alt down arrow key. This quickly opens up the options box. I can maneuver using the down and right arrow key. Now, once you have come to the selected choices, as I can see from the three city names, Gurgaon, Kolkata and Mumbai, I can use spacebar to uncheck one of the options, the second one or even the third one, or maybe check again using the select all option. Once done, I can press OK. In this case, I've chosen Gurgaon, enter, that's it, I get Gurgaon clients. Now, what I've seen is amongst the Gurgaon clients, when I go to the client name, that's the first column, I press Alt down arrow key. Now the problem is quite often it happens that you will have a lot of choices amongst these drop down. Now to be able to reach to the last N, where generally the blank option is given, I will be using the end key, END, end key. It quickly takes me to the last option. Now where is this used? For example, if you had a data which may have certain blanks in them, then thereafter I go to the Alt down arrow key to activate the first button. Once I press down 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 couple of times to go to these couple of options, I press end key. You notice the last one being the blank. If I press home key, it takes me back to select all. So let's assume that I have to pick up those blank cells within the Gurgaon options. I will be checking off the select all using the space bar. I'll press the end key. I'll again press the space bar to activate blanks, and there you go, enter key. So those are the shortcut keys which you would want to apply while working with filter. And I press Alt AT again to come back to the previous scenario.